Hello guys, welcome to crochet with me video. Long time no crochet video, but it's been a little bit crazy. I've moved to a different country and everything, so crocheting unfortunately wasn't my priority. But I am a bit ill right now, which feels weird because it's 30 degrees outside, but I am. Anyhow, I am a little bit ill. I'm spending more time at home, so I decided that this is a perfect opportunity to finally start a new project. I want to do more pieces that are basic, but I will wear them more. So a very wearable wearables, if one might can say so, because since I started crocheting, I fell into this hole of trying to make every piece as unique as possible, which there is nothing wrong with it because you spend so many hours on these pieces that choosing nice colors or more interesting design is very tempting, and I've been doing that so far. So I have 0 one color pieces, or just like very basic pieces that I would buy from the shop anyway and wear every other day. As the first thing we will do together is crochet shorts or trouser. I have not decided yet which one it will be, because of the title and probably because of the thumbnail as well. I don't know yet, but generally the inspiration is something like this when it comes to trouser, or like this when it comes to shorts. And as I said, I'm forcing myself to do it one color, to do it very basic so I can wear it a lot. My yarn of choice is this very nice blue one. I have it like for ages, and I am starting a lot of projects with it, but then I'm changing my mind or not finishing and undoing it and stuff like that. And as you can see, I already started making the band at the top of the shorts. Let's go with shorts for now. It took me quite a while because I didn't crochet for so long that I kept making so many like a bit stupid mistakes at the beginning, but okay. This is the band right now. It's quite thick, but I'm planning to fold it in half and put elastic inside, so it's sitting nice on my body. And I'm going right now with half double crochet. So for now, this is how the patterns look like. It's very basic, but it looks very neatly, which is a very important part for me right now. I actually am craving like very neat patterns so much that I was trying to learn to knit as well, but I literally have like 5 different videos that I began and didn't finish because I couldn't learn how to knit. So if you are a crocheted and a knitter as well, or just a knitter, and you put on this video and you have any videos to recommend to me that I can learn how to knit from, please do it and send it over, because I can't do it on my own anymore, and I really love how knitting looks like. Anyhow, back to crocheting. I am talking for quite a bit, so for now, as you can see, I just keep doing the same thing. There's not much exciting things going on. From the second row or third row, I believe, I already started increasing, so it fits my hips as well. Because I'm putting elastic in, I don't want the trousers to be tight on me. I want them quite oversized, especially when it comes to leg part. This I want wide leg for sure. So I'm increasing very early on. literally on the second row, only on the second row since I last talked to you guys, and I can see that this will be a bit of a chatty vlog because I have so many thoughts that I want to share with you. If I'm not looking at you, it is because I'm still trying to crochet while talking. So recently I've been deep diving into my data on YouTube, and I noticed that there's a lot of people from around the globe. So if you don't know me, maybe this is your first video that you're watching. Hi, I'm Iga. I grew up and I was born in Poland. And just a month ago, literally a month ago, maybe a little bit more, I moved to Vienna in Austria. So I'm on my living abroad journey. And yes, there is a lot of people here, apparently from Argentina, for example. You can share where you're from in the comments because I'm really, really curious. And another thing I have to ask you guys is, if you have any DIY crochet knitting YouTubers to recommend, because I love watching these kind of people while doing my own stuff as well. And I was just watching Amazing-ish Grace, and I watch her videos quite a lot. But if you have any more to recommend, I would really appreciate it.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind.
So it's been 4 days exactly, because it's Thursday today, and I have not done any crocheting at all since being on the island. I think I'm on the point right now where I can start doing the other leg as well. I will double check and try it on in a second. But generally, yeah, I didn't do any crocheting. I had such busy days, a lot of work, a lot of studying of German. And now I have finally, not the whole afternoon, but I have like 2.5 hours to do some crocheting. So we will see how much I get done. I just tried on the shorts, and I have a bit of a problem because I don't know why, but I was very scared they're gonna be too tight. I'm a wide pants girl. Like, the wider the better. I never had pants on and said, oh no, they are too wide. Never. But I hate the situation the other way around a lot of times. So I did an insane amount of increase for the legs, and I was scared that I'm not gonna increase it enough. So you can even see it in this place. Am I even like having it correctly? You can see it here, that it like went up a lot. But right now it's so freaking wide that it doesn't make sense as short. So I guess I just decided for my, I didn't decide, but it got decided that I'm doing pants and not shorts. So there's a long way to go with these shorts. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know when I will finish this project.
Promise not to use. Promise.
made a mistake while doing the second leg. I kind of started crocheting in the other direction when it comes to circles, and now the pattern doesn't match. Like, I have, this is the left side and this is the right side of the pattern, and you can, even on the camera, very clearly see the difference. So I need to redo everything I've done for the last like a day and a half. So there is like not much to do beside frog it and start crocheting in the other direction. That's basically all I can say and do right now. But let me tell you, because yesterday I filmed quite a bit, but I didn't comment where I went to, and we went to a coffee shop to crochet a bit, but before that we went to a thrift, like a market. It looks more like a thrifting warehouse in Vienna. It's called Carla, and it's a Caritas initiative where they are putting together all of the stuff that people would like to resell, and they have absolutely everything you can imagine. And generally, I love the initiative, and I love, of course, the shop as well. If you're from Vienna and you want to buy something, go there first, especially when it comes to kitchenware. They had so many choices, and everything was very well organized. So if you want a specific thing, if you need to buy a specific thing, it's very easy to do so there. But it just made me think about the fact that this warehouse for thrifting was so huge, incredibly big, and it's still just a small percentage of what we are getting rid of and what we are generally throwing away. And I just can't imagine the amount of stuff that we are wasting on a daily basis. And I think it made me even more motivated to really pay attention to everything I'm crocheting and making only the stuff that I'm sure I'm gonna wear as well. So of course frogging in this theme as well, so I'm perfectly satisfied with the piece too. So yeah, I'm gonna redo this, and today is a very, very exciting day because there is a Harry Styles concert basically in Vienna. It's not this, it's a screening of his previous concert, but it's on like a film festival, so there's gonna be a lot of people and so on. And of course he hasn't had any concert for, I think, 2 years now. So I'm very, very excited because I have a lot of faith in Harry Styles fans as well, and I think they're gonna come together and it's gonna be like a big party there. So let's crochet for a bit more and then go to his concert together.
Promise not to use.